Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am going on a road trip. Yes, the girl that sleeps in the car on the way to the grocery store is going on a solo road trip. I'm flying to San Francisco and I will be road tripping throughout California. I won't tell you full details because I want you guys to watch the vlog, but that is the plan. I'm leaving in like 2 days and I'm so frazzled. I need to go get my nails done. That's where I'm headed now. I need to go get waxed. I have to get my lashes done today and I have to pack. So I'm taking y'all with me. Yeah. Guys, I'm obsessed with my nails. Looks really oily because she put oil on my hands, but got a little French tip with some nude and then a white, a little swiggly, and like a tealish color, green. Now that I'm in the car, you guys can kind of see my nails a little bit better. Inside they were super oily, but come on, focus. I love them. Very obsessed. This lighting though, it's not really doing it much justice. My toes are just pink, whatever. Hey guys, I'm back. I look crazy. I'm deep conditioning my hair. I'm trying to finish packing. Right now it's 1:30 and I have an early appointment, so I'm gonna try to finish up as fast as possible. I still have to finish my hair, do my wig. It's looking slow for the sleep tonight. I got my lashes done. Let me just show you what this little setup is looking like. I'm in the hallway trying to pack because my room is like messy. Y'all, there's not enough hours in the day because I just feel like I cannot get everything done in one day. All of my clothes kind of laid out here. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna take some stuff out because I don't want to overpack. I have this CalPack suitcase. I got this suitcase last year in the summer. This is the medium-sized suitcase, so it's one size up from the carry-on, and then there's a larger one. I can link the suitcase in the description. I don't really know the exact diameters at the top of my head, but I'm gonna link everything. But I love it. I love black, so super chic. And I have a larger suitcase just like this, but it's not a CalPack, but it pretty much looks just like it. Usually I put shoes on this side and then secure it with this zipper. And then there's like this netted area here. And then little pockets. You can put toiletries in. And then I usually put my clothes here. Going to be packing this backpack. So I'm just gonna like probably lay it flat. Because I know I'm gonna be doing some hiking and other things. I'm not gonna be packing too many like purses and extra accessories and stuff because this is just a road trip. This is gonna be my carry-on backpack. It's pretty big. It's from Matt and Nat. It's like a leather company. I got this from Nordstrom Rack like a couple years ago, and it was a steal, y'all, like for $70. But I love it. It fits literally everything. It has so many compartments. This pocket here, and you can snap this pocket with the zipper, and then these two pockets. And this is really, really deep. And then in the back, you got this little secret zipper. I might put some stuff here. It's not that big of a slot, but you can still fit some things. Maybe I'll put some hand sanitizer or something. These are all of my supplies that I have to stay COVID free. I have a bunch of hand sanitizers, a bunch of Lysols. I got the Clorox wipes on deck, 2 packs of masks. I have my first aid kit. I got my mace. I take these herbs daily. I take Cascara Sagrada. This is good for your digestive system. And these are all natural herbs. So they're basically like little capsules. Let me see. Let me take one out. This is how they look. And the echinacea looks the same, but like these are how the capsules look. You can open them and you can pour it into tea. You can just take it with water or like orange juice or anything. But I usually take 4 of the cascara. But basically it cleans you out. It's all natural. It doesn't just clean you out as far as like the foods you eat, the bad foods. It cleans out all the bacteria in your body, any toxic waste. So yeah, I take 4 daily. And I also take 4 echinacea. Like I said, echinacea looks pretty much exactly the same. But yeah, echinacea helps with your immune system. I don't suggest that you like just take this when you're about to go on a trip. You need to be taking this like daily. I take these 5 times a week. So all of these herbs are already in my system. So it's just a matter of keeping healthy and sticking to it. I have this little portable tea kettle, which I got on Amazon. I will link it. It is so cool. Here's the little plug. You plug it into the back. Right here, and then you just turn it on. You put hot water on it and it boils the water for you. So this will be perfect for my road trip because I don't drink coffee. Oftentimes I don't really drink tea, but when I do drink tea, I drink green tea. So green tea is caffeinated, so that will kind of like keep me awake daily. And I love green tea with honey. But I have these little disposable cups that I'm gonna bring with me. Tea, so I could just throw them out. I didn't want to bring anything that I have to wash because you see I have the typical, you know, body washes. I have a bunch of these. And then Listerine, my perfume, my lotions, my facial products, some hair products. And here's my makeup bag. I literally just bought this like a couple weeks ago, so it's the first time I'm using this. I love it. It fits so much stuff in here. All of my makeup is in here. I'm gonna carry this on. And then my camera equipment. So I will be packing my tripod, which is a good size actually, 5 or 6 feet, but it's collapsible, so it's not that tall when you collapse it. I'm gonna put this in my checked bag. I'm gonna have my little tripod for my camera. My camera is not in here. I'm obviously using it. And then this is like a GoPro tripod slash selfie stick. And then I have this other GoPro accessory. You attach it to your body and then you put the GoPro right here. This little head strap thing that I've used on vacation for the GoPro. I have a Kodak camera, which is always handy. I always try to bring one with me wherever I go. And this is the drone that I'm bringing. It's the Maverick Mini. I'm just learning how to use it. This is the little remote control, and you can attach your phone to the bottom of it so you can see where the drone is flying. And these little bags where I have like my camera stuff, accessories, and chargers in here. And then my actual GoPro is in here. And then my little remote for my selfies. And then this is like my portable charger. I have this little gadget here, which is a phone mount for your car. You could just stick it where the vent is and you put your phone here. Okay, for shoes, I'm bringing these sneakers. I figured I'd bring these because I know I'll be doing a lot of like hiking. I might ride some ATVs. So yeah, those are sneakers that I can definitely get dirty. And then I have these like kind of like Birkenstock sandals that I got at H&M. Another pair of slide sandals I got from Zara. And then I have these cute little heels. I don't know if I'll be dressing up at all, but I packed like one dressy-ish outfit. These are the sneakers that I'm gonna be wearing with like every outfit. Cowboy boots, because I'll be in the desert. This is mostly for the aesthetic. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be wearing these cowboy boots all day. I got these years ago when I was in like high school. I wanted them so bad. I absolutely love them. I will never give these away. And I have a few pairs of bathing suits. So my camera died and now it's really late. It's like 4:30 and I have an appointment at 9 in the morning. So I'm gonna quickly pack up my stuff and show you guys the process, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I pretty much packed everything. I forgot to put my tripod in my big suitcase, but that's about it. The suitcase is done. I'm gonna carry my hat, and then I'm debating whether or not I should bring this. Every time I don't bring my neck pillow, I regret it. So I might bring it and just like fold it up and squish it in my carry-on. I'm debating whether or not I should take out some shoes and like an outfit from my check bag because I feel like it's gonna be overweight. So, and I don't want to be lugging a lot of stuff around because I'm not gonna be staying at one hotel. So I want to make this process as easy and smooth as possible. I'm gonna go to bed. It's literally almost 5 o'clock in the morning. I will catch you guys in San Francisco.